When you have a dream, you've got to grab it and never let go. Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible. The bad news is time flies. The good news is you're the pilot. Keep your face always toward the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. You can be everything. You can be the infinite amount of things that people are. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Weaknesses are just strengths in the wrong environment. Nobody built like you. You design yourself. Live your beliefs and you can turn the world around. Don't try to lessen yourself for the world. Let the world catch up to you. When it comes to luck, you make your own. Out of the mountain of despair, a stone of hope. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. Do one thing every day that scares you. Do what you feel in your heart to be right, for you'll be criticized anyway. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You are confined only by the walls you build yourself. The man who has confidence in himself gains the confidence of others. If you want to achieve greatness, stop asking for permission. Things work out best for those who make the best of how things work out. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. If you do what you always did, you will get what you always got. Just when the caterpillar thought the world was ending, he turned into a butterfly. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent.